So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beginners Lab. In our previous videos we have covered so many topics like EC2 instances we have covered, then we have covered our S3 buckets, IAM. These were three basic things which I have covered, and now the fourth one, which is important, and then we will have one more session of a video known as a lambda function I will create, and we are going to close this because as a beginner if you need few things to start, these many are sufficient for you. Another rest things are code integration and all the things creating the pipelines that we will do in detail, but after I will complete few more courses like we need with that python language is required with them, and a few like in our Linux we need, and we are going to start a new program of our Linux. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start. So today we are going to do, the name is, what was the name, Aurora and RDS. Okay, so basically you guys know the database that why we use, you have studied in your basic classes. So here you can see there are few types of database. So why we need a database, why we are not going with a single type of database, why this Aurora and RDS is required. So just I want to tell you the advantages. So first advantage you can see here, you can choose whatever database you want. You can choose whatever database you want, means just you are operating with this, go to Oracle, go to SQL, go to MarineDB, whatever, MySQL, select anything. And you can see here the advantages. See, the main advantages, one is not listed here, it's serverless also. We can do it because this RDS provides us a feature which is known as a serverless, and it's very great feature. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. So this is our console page. Here we need to write Aurora and RDS. Just click on it. So let's create one database. So see, you will go to databases, create. Oh, actually I'm having already one. Okay, just create a third one. So the thing is that I am compatible with MySQL, so I will choose MySQL only. So then here you can check for the engine versioning. See, we should always check the recent one, that it's by default it's taking this, so let's go with it only, no need. So here are templates of three types like production, dev, testing and free trial. I will go with free trial. When you use this free trial, availability and durability will automatically change to a single, because this one is only for free. So what database, so we'll give it name as database 3, admin, then password. See, password you just need to remember. So here I'm typing, what the lag happened. Okay, so here I'm typing the simple password, means nothing I'm using, no kind of numerical value, only alphabetical value I used and created it. So here now we came to instances. Here we can select the serverless features are also there. Let me check. Okay, so basically I turned on the free trial, and if you want to go with serverless, then you must select here engine type Aurora. Okay, with this also you can do, with marine also we can do, and most I'm not compatible because means I don't know, I don't have that kind of knowledge. I'm compatible with my things, that what I know I use this. We have set the password, we don't need it. Storage, let it be the same. So here are two options, you can give it a connectivity with your EC2 also. Sometimes you are doing some kind of activity in your EC2, so you want that EC2 to be connected with your this, so we choose this. So here nothing we don't require, but see, always allow public access, because in today's video we are going to connect our database with Workbench. So next of the operations which we are going to do is in Workbench only. So here we need something, I don't need a default one. Okay, so create a new one, so its name will be Beginners Lab Security group for database. Okay, so now it's asking more. So authentication, here you can see that what kind of you want to give. See, basically we have created this one, the public access and VCC security group. So I don't think that we required anything. And if we will require anything, we can modify it also. We don't need to do anything. We can modify these things. So see, password not now. So it's creating. Till the time it's creating, let's do our second step. Okay, first there is an IP address we need to see. Then we have to change the inbound rule. Okay, so my IP address is automatically fetched by this. But if not, then go to Google, search my IP. There, whatever IP will be there provided to you, please copy it for future uses. So here we have done. Now scroll down. This was the group we have created. Click on the group. So here you will see the options, as means a new window has displayed. The options will be there as inbound and outbound. So this is my group ID. Click on the group ID. Here is inbound rule, here is outbound. So you will see that basically my inbound rule is set to 3306, which was my SQL port, and which is obviously right, and this is my correct current IP which I am doing. But if you want to see that, then just go to where's my IP. So where's my IP, click on the first link. Here see checking. So my IP address is this. Getting my point? It's telling my location also where I am. I don't want to share this, but still leave it. Just so my IP address is matching here. The last one is changing. So nothing. So description I can give. It's fine. We can write anything just to save. If we will not save, and here we can add more rules also. For you want a custom IP, you want a custom person to use, you want public accesses anywhere. So it's for that. So save the rule. This for this time only. So we will go back to our security, just reload it. So why I say to reload, because when we are using between windows now, sometimes it shows me kind of glitch. Okay, so let's wait for our database to be created. So guys, you can see our database 3 is ready. So just click on our database. See, we have selected our inbound and outbound rule. So we have done everything we were required here. So you need to open the database, come on this thing, connectivity and security, then copy the endpoint port. Okay, so why we need this? So I'm giving you just, I want to connect this with my workbench. So my workbench is here. So here you will land on this page. If you don't have a workbench, just install it, very easy to install. So click on this one, add function. So connection name I want to give beginners lab demo connection. Okay, so what is the host name? Host name, we need to paste the thing which we were using. So root name was our admin. So admin. I am also not sure what it was, but let's see. Entered my password, fine. So first step is not okay, it's test connection. So just I want to tell you, the thing will happen, this will pop up. If your connection is successful, this thing will pop up. Okay, successfully. If it doesn't, then just remember that you are doing something wrong, and here you can do only one thing wrong. That's your password and that's your username, nothing else. This we are copying, this we are generating. So just our test connection is done, then okay, click on okay. So what's happening now, our database is connected. Okay, opening SQL. So what all are the things that we need to do is, I want to create a database. Okay, so for that You will land on this kind of screen. See, if you are using Workbench, it's too good. Otherwise, it's a bad thing, because technology is evolving day to day. Okay, so it's beginners lab. So close the code, then we will use. See guys, I am planning to enhance my channel. For that I'm doing many things. So as you can see that I am feeling like I should you teach to use SQL also. So there is a Python language I need to tell a bit about, so you must know the code. Getting my point? Oh, so I cannot create that na. I'll create a beginner table. Okay, I'm creating a beginner table. Then see, I will just copy paste the other one. That's not a big thing. Use a Gemini, use anything which you like to create. Means yeah, see, if you are doing many things, if you are not copy pasting in today's, you are saying that, see, I know this all commands, I know this all commands what they will do, but I cannot write always. So remember that we cannot use a create table command or anything. We need to create the database first. This was the very first error which my friends used to make, and in the beginning I also used to make a lot of this kind of error. So this is a, you can see this lightning bolt button. Start it. Here you can see that your query row is affected. This is created. Now in this one we are having one advantage, that whenever you want to, means you want to look at something, you can see here will be a cross button. I will just show you, like create database. We will create the same database of same name. Okay, let's check it out. See, here cross is there, here this is there, the error is there. If you can't resolve, just copy this full row, paste in your Copilot, Gemini, Chat GPT, whatever you are using. Okay, so I will just insert a command of insert into beginner. Our table name was beginner. Then I need, see, we have given ages and also I'm already having the data that what I need to put here. So that's this thing. Okay, so I'm putting this Vikas inside my table. We did. Now, now what I need to do is select asterisk from, and this is was not a good practice. This is a good practice. Oh, sorry. Guys, listen, always use caps lock. Oh, Drago, not beginners. Yes. So always use cap lock, because sometimes these things make error. This thing you can run like in small caps lock, also in uppercase, in lowercase, but I prefer to use in uppercase. Okay, so we will select. So you will see here. So what's happening? Select star from beginners. Beginners is not my name. It's beginner. Okay. So you can see here select star, and this will display that what are the things are here. So that's all. We have connected our database to our SQL. So now I want to show you something interesting that mostly you guys must be doing a mistake. So when we are on this one, just click on this modify button. I want to show you something. So let's see, is it activated or not? See, it's not activated. Enable deletion protection. Click on it, continue with it. Modify my DB. Successful. Now I want to delete it. See, delete option is vanished, because database is a huge thing. We need to manage, we need to do so many kind of things. We don't want that our database to be deleted accidentally, so we use this kind of things. So when you will again go here, modify, from modify we will go again to disable. We have unchecked the box, then we have again modified our database. So you can see our database is again modified. So let's delete. Here are more options I want to tell you, like you can set up with lambda function, ec2, temporary stop, read replica. See, this is the thing I want to tell. Like if there are multiple queries going on, once in the operation and another was in the read. When you are using Google Pay, if you are checking your balance, then there are so many people those who are doing the transaction in real time also. So read replica means I am creating a replica of my table. So whenever there will be read request, it will go to my replica database. Whenever will be a write request, it will go to my real one. It's not important that it will go in this sequence only. We can change many things. So for the basic, you just required this much. And guys, thanks for watching this much long video. If you have watched fully, because I just told you how to connect it with Workbench, how we have created a database, what are the features, what are the disadvantages we are using. That's all for today. Okay, bye guys. That's my second last lecture of cloud computing. So our last lecture maybe will be on lambda function. I think that is the thing you required, but for that thing you must know Python coding and all. So I will create that before only, and I will give you the codes also for the time. And for the SQL codes, you can depend on any LLM agent which will help you with this. Okay guys, thanks for watching.